Now, let's see what is in the box. Let me take a look and oh wow.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I've got a food pantry haul and run for you today. Now, we're going to look at the main things I got and some of the things I got. You won't believe what I got. And we're going to do, guess what I got in the box? Kind of a surprise. I don't even know what's in there yet. So, wow. But this first item, I can see peach cobbler coming. Come on, let's take a look. Starting from the left to the right. Okay. So I got 4 stalks of celery. Now I know you all are thinking, what are you going to do with 4 stalks of celery? Well, I'm going to tell you. Some of it I'm going to freeze. Some of it I'm going to juice. Some of it I'm going to use today. But most of it I'm going to freeze and juice because I am trying to lose weight seriously. And I want y'all to join me on that. But look, nice and fresh. Oh yeah, oh this is great. So I'm going to chop this up because I want it to last for Easter. I'm going to use parts of these for Easter dinner. Yes. Then look at this. I got 2 big boxes of diced peaches in 100% juice. Oh man. Now this box I'm going to share with my family, and this box I'm donating to another family and some other people. Oh, just look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I think a peach cobbler. It's going to be in order. You can use these things to make a peach cobbler. Real quick one, I'm going to show you how you do that. It'll be fun. It will be fun. Now we're going to jump over here. I got 2 things of much needed sugar because I'm out. Yep. I know this isn't the best type of sugar for you, but right now, this is all I have. So, and then I got 2 cake mixes right on time for Easter because I want to do my Easter meadow cake. You'll see how I do that. I hope I can pull it off. I'm going to try my best. And we got some frosting to go along with that. Chocolate. And this is just some yellow cake mix. Then we got some yellow cornmeal. I got 2 containers of that. This is great for frying fish and chicken, but catfish, oh, you better believe it. You better believe it. And of course, making cornbread. Then look at this. Elbow macaroni, which we already opened up because we're making something for lunch. You know how it is. Then we got some oatmeal, some rice, cornflakes. I'm going to donate these because I already got some last week. Then we've got some more, oh my goodness, strawberry fruit spread, cream of tomato soup. We have some garbanzo beans. And I got some black beans. Now, garbanzo beans, as you know, you can make hummus from or put them in your salad. You can also put black beans in your salad. You can put them in chili. You can make bean burritos. You can make refried black beans, a lot of things. Beans are really good for you. They even use black beans to make a veggie burger. I don't know how to do that, but I'm going to look it up and see if I can show you. Then we've got some diced tomatoes. Love these. Along with some spaghetti sauce. I got some of this last time. I think I'll make a big pot of spaghetti sauce. Then we've got some more cooking oil, thank goodness. And I got 3 more packs of macaroni and cheese. I don't use the seasoning packet. I just use the pasta. Now, some people take that seasoning packet, like one of our nieces and nephews said, and sprinkle it over the popcorn, and it's good. You know, a little too much salt for me, but if you don't mind salt, if it doesn't bother you, that's a good idea, okay? So we got this stuff so far. This is the extra stuff they gave to me. Now, let's see what is in the box. Let me take a look and oh wow. Nieces and nephews, check this out. Oh, I love this. A large chicken. These are great for roasting. Or on the grill. You gotta split them open though. But these are great for roasting. Oh, that could be for Easter dinner. Oh yeah, season it up good. Then we've got some taco meat. I could be crazy and weird for Easter and do tacos. Why not? Then we got some cheeseburger macaroni hamburger helper. I'm gonna show you how to make your own. I had a request to make that, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's very simple. Then look at this, some cream and mushroom soup, great for casseroles. We got some more. Oh yes, ground turkey. Put that right over there. Oh, we got some more long grain and rich rice. Right there. French style green beans. Let's go down and look. One of my favorites. I love making smoothies out of this. Fruit cocktail with the in the pear juice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Hunt's traditional spaghetti sauce. I'm definitely making either pizza or lasagna. Yeah. Oh, more black beans. Back over here. We got some spaghetti noodles. Ooh. Macaroni noodles. This is all going to go for Easter dinner. You know that. Then we've got, oh yes, some armored chili. This stuff is so good. And I got those hot dogs in there. Yes. Yes. Got some more oatmeal. Yum, yum. And then we've got pink salmon. Yes. Peanut butter. Love peanut butter. Some grape jelly. This squeezable grape jelly is really good. Smucker's, yeah, they make that. It's really good. Then we've got some whole kernel corn. Put that over here. And last but not least, we have some chicken of the sea tuna. I love this stuff. All right. Let me move the box over. Let's get a pan of everything we got. All right, nieces and nephews. Now, as you notice, I got lots of rice and lots of pasta, okay? Elbow macaroni and spaghetti. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you some cold salads you can do with pasta for summertime because it is getting warmer. And I'm gonna show you some casserole dishes that are casserole, but yet maybe not quite casserole, because you may not have to bake them. So we're gonna start stocking up, and that's what I'm doing now, and I'm helping others do that too. I'm gonna show you meal stretching ideas that you can prepare, put them in your freezer, and eat them at your leisure, okay? All right, let me know what you want me to fix to really extend the budget. I am gonna do that peach cobbler, show you how to do that. I'm also gonna show you some of the juicing videos, how to do that too, okay? All right, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe, okay? Now, I also want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. You know, times are getting a little tough, but we're tough too, okay? We're gonna hang in there, we're gonna do this together. And I'm gonna show you some really cool recipes and some bloopers I did. And how you fix it. how you fix it, okay? Ooh, we're gonna be barbecuing. You wanna join me barbecuing outside, maybe live? Let's see. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Write to me. Buy me a cup of coffee if you can. It helps out. Now, I gotta go deliver some food. Bye bye.